hope you all are doing great. So today I am going to share some basic tips and tricks on how to achieve that fresh, glowy, flawless base for the morning look, which we can pull off easily for our special morning events or for meetings also. So yes, if you are interested, so please keep on watching. Okay, so to get that fresh, radiant glow, we need to work on our skin more rather than makeup. Okay, to prep my skin, I had already applied Green Natural Advanced Serum by Face Shop. This serum helps my skin to stay hydrated and also leaves that radiant glow from within. You guys can use your own suitable moisturizer for skin prep. So here comes a first quick tip. Never start your makeup as soon as you apply your moisturizer. Let the moisturizer penetrate into your skin for about 5 to 10 minutes and then go with the base. Until then, complete your eyebrows and prime your lids. Again, a quick tip for eyebrows, always go with a dark brown or a grey color eyebrow pencil, especially if you're planning to do a soft makeup. And then to keep my lips hydrated, I'm applying a lip balm. Before starting base, always use a great primer to fill in your pores. And also primer helps the foundation to glide onto your skin, which will help our base to be very smooth. Before starting my base, I would like to give a third small tip. If you are planning for a natural look, always go for a concealer first and then go for a foundation. For concealer, I am using LA Pro Girl and dotting out very little amount of concealer wherever I need to conceal, on the spot marks or any discoloration. And then quickly blending it with my fingers in tapping motion. And also some under the eyes to cancel out my dark circles and blending it very nicely. Now to avoid creases, I am going to apply Maybelline loose powder only under the eyes because under eye tends to crease faster due to sensitive skin. Now here comes an important tip. While choosing foundation, go for a very light-weighted medium coverage illuminated foundation so that it will not look cakey on your face and also it will give that dewy glowy finish to your skin. The one I am using is the LA Pro Illuminated Foundation, which works great for dry skin. I am just using a small pump of the foundation just for the seamless finish because we have already concealed our imperfection. And blending everything into my skin with the help of brush. Now it's time to set our face. For setting, I'll be using very little amount of loose powder because using more setting powder can mattify your face and take away the dewy glowy finish. In morning, we definitely need that pink peach color flushing on our cheeks. So I'm using a pink tinted lipstick and applying on my cheeks in upward direction. This way, my face will look uplifted and more young. To contour my nose, I am using a pastel brown color by Wet n Wild palette. While contouring our nose, always go up till the head of our eyebrows. That way it will look more natural. And also some on my cheeks to give that dimension to my face. Moving towards my eyes, I am taking this similar color which I used for my contour as my transition and flicking it outwards to get that elongated look. My next tip will be always choose a transition color which is close to your skin tone if you are planning for a natural makeup look. Then taking this burnt orange color from Makeup Revolution palette and applying it on my crease and creating an outer V, which instantly uplifts my entire face. You can clearly see the difference between both the eyes. Now for my lid, I am using a shimmer color which is close to my skin tone and then blending it with other colors to cancel out any harsh line. Using shimmer shadow of our skin color gives the illusion of wet eyes, which looks great in morning. Now this step is totally optional. I am going with a black wing liner to enhance my eyes more, which is totally optional. To highlight my eye, I am using this Wet n Wild highlighter and applying it below the brow area and also in the inner corner of my eye. I am using a white eye pencil on my waterline to make my eyes look more awakened and big. And finishing my eye look with a coat of mascara, which is by Maybelline. For my lips, I have used a light pink peach nude lipstick for more natural touch. And also I had choose a light pastel color for my outfit, which looks great in morning. So yes guys, this is my finished completed fresh glowy morning look which I like to carry. And please don't forget to click that thumbs up button if you have liked my video, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. Thank you.